Hello, this is Nobuko. I'm standing at Harajuku Station right now. Twice a year, I come to Omotesando for medical checkup. There's no appointment system, so I just show up and hope for the best. Omotesando is often compared to Chantilly in France. Most people get excited when they come here, but I usually come only for hospital visits, so my excitement level is a bit different from everyone else. Alright, I've arrived at the clinic, and it's very quiet, which usually isn't a good sign. Here is the sad news. Notice of temporary closure. Today's outpatient service is cancelled due to a medical conference. So yes, at this moment I officially became someone who traveled all the way to Omotesando just to film a video. And somehow realizing that made me hungry. So I'm going to get something to eat. But Omotesando is a posh area, so everything is expensive. There's a convenient belt sushi place, but I'm not in the mood for sushi today. There's also a very stylish cafe, but the salad bowl is 2,000 yen. 2,000 yen for leaves that won't fill me up. So I'll go for Starbucks sandwich instead. Reliable choice, reasonable price. This building is Tokyo Plaza Harajuku, also called Harakado. I've never been to the Starbucks here, so I'll check it out. The view looks nice, and it might be help me recover from the emotional damage of the clinic being closed today. After having something to eat and exploring a building I'd never been inside before, I decided that was enough excitement for today. As I walked back towards Harajuku Station, the crowd slowly started to grow. In the end, I didn't do anything except film this video, so I'm just going to head home. In front of Harajuku Station, the yellow ginkgo leaves were spread out like a carpet. They were beautiful. I didn't even realize the autumn colors had already peaked. Winter is just around the corner. That's it all for today. I usually explore places in Japan that tourists often miss with stories from local history and culture. If that sounds fun, subscribe and join me next time. またね